you all. Harish?
Just thank you, Naranjan. Yeah, so that it's been like what 2.5 months we were training, and the way you teaches us, it's really impressive, and you'll go in depth and explain us, so it helps us to understand very clearly. Like,
Thank you.
so really thank you so much for the effort which you put in here, like 40 minutes. Behind that, you would have spent a lot of time,
Mm.
but the we can see that efforts,
Lot of
the
years, I
result
can say.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
the result we can see in the training.
it's
So
all
hope
like
you
lot of
also,
years.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I just wanted to thank you for that, Niranjan.
Thank you, Harish.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Okay. Thanks for your support as well, Harish, in Bangalore.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
No issues
Thank you, boss.
anytime.
Yeah. Okay, team. Thank you all. We'll connect again either in project and also in the placement team. Okay. Thank you all. Have a good day.